Are you looking to enhance your whole slide imaging process? Then this video is for you. In whole slide imaging, slides are viewed as tiny sections by a microscopic camera. Low-resolution cameras capture smaller sections, increasing the sections count. This takes a lot of time and provides low-quality images. Wondering how these concerns could be solved? Presenting Econ Systems 20MP high-resolution USB camera. Our 20MP high-resolution camera captures a wider field of view in a single shot. This means every section of the slide consists more of the specimen's image. Thus, we significantly cut down the number of sections needed to scan the entire specimen. This boosts the entire process to be about 5 times faster. Moreover, with its 5K resolution, our camera allows you to capture even the tiniest details present in the specimen. Along with this, it also offers superior low light and near infrared performance. Our C3cam CU200 camera is ideal for all your whole slide imaging requirements. Integrate our cameras into your systems. See farther, see wider with Econ Systems. Click the link to learn more.